Every developer I know has paid for web hosting. They didn't need to. I stopped. No trial period, no credit card required, unlimited bandwidth, 5 gigabytes of storage, completely free forever. And I am not selling you anything. I personally run my own live deployed projects on exactly what I am about to show you. This isn't a theory, this isn't sponsored, this is the complete step by step. Let's go. Open Chrome and search for InfinityFree. Click their official site and hit sign up. You can register using any of the 3 methods shown. If you go with email and password, just verify your email before continuing. Once you are in, click create account, enter your preferred subdomain, choose an available domain and hit create account again. It takes about a minute, and just like that you have free hosting and a free domain for life. Now let me show you how to deploy your website. Open File Manager. You will see 2 default files already there. Delete both of them. Click Upload, select your website source code file and upload it. Now visit your domain and your site is live. That's fast. That's a basic static website. Now let me show you how to connect a MySQL database with PHP. Navigate to PHP MySQL and create a new database. Click on your database, then hit import. Either upload your SQL file directly or paste your SQL code manually and click run. Both work. Now go back to File Manager, find your config.php file and right click to edit or long press to edit. Update these 4 values: username, password, host and database name. Save and close. Visit your site. Your full PHP and MySQL app is now live, running on free hosting forever. Now if you want to host your Telegram bot 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, completely free for life, that tutorial drops the moment this video hits 1000 likes. You already know what to do.